starter, main course, dessert. The starter is who has given it, the chanda. Om asya Sri Trambaka Stotra Mahamantrasya Maitra Varna Putra Vasishta Rishi Anustan Chanda Sri Mrityunjaya Trambaka Rudra Devata Devadevyau Pranavau Bijasaktau Bijashakti. It is given by Vasishtha, the son of Maitri Varuna, and it's called Stotra. It is praising wisdom, praise of wisdom. Triambakam Stotra Mahamantrasya is a Mahamantra. It is third eye wisdom mantra. Highly praised by the saints. Highly praised by the saints. It is the absolute mantra. Asya Sri Triambaka Stotra Mahamantrasya. Absolute mantra. Every saint and does it. And it is the praise. It is the wisdom mantra. It is only the mantra of the wisdom. Third eye, stotra, praised by all the gods, angels, entire existence, all the yogis. Maitra Varana Putra Vasishta Rishi, the one who has systematized it. It has been there, from Veda, that from the time immemorial. But the one who has systematized it, the one who has given grammar, the one who has given the sound of silence, how to chant, is the Vasishtha. Anustan Chanda style is practicing, it is a practicing mantra. Wisdom is practice, skill, it is a skill. Doctor means it is skill oriented, practice oriented. Lawyer means practice oriented. Chartered accountant means practice oriented. A scientist means practice oriented. Practice. Skill oriented. Sri Mrityunjaya Triambaka Rudra Devata. Mrityunjaya Triambaka Rudra Devata. Goddess, angel. Who is angel? The Rudra. Third eye, Sati, awareness, wisdom eye. Is feminine or male? Is a feminine. What dissolves? Third eye is called Rudra. Trambaka Rudra Devata Savita Devata. In Gayatri, Savita is the Devata, female angel. Here, the female angel is wisdom, Pradnya. Her name is Triambaka, Mrityunjaya Triambaka, Triambaka, third eye, wisdom, Rudra. Third eye, Devata. Third eye, Sati, her name is Sati. Triambaka Rudra Devata. Purpose is Mrityunjaya, it conquers. This is only the way to conquer the death. Third eye, whether to watch the breath, whether to observe inside, you only have to use not the brain, nothing. Only you have to use third eye, wisdom eye, mind eye, observer. It is a mantra of only observation, field of observation. Devadevyau Pranavau Bija Shakti. Shakti, most powerful mantra it is. Bija Shakti. Shakti Pita, Tantrics worship. There is no Shakti beyond this. This is the seed of the energy. Pranavau, from where energy is born. where entropy is born. This mantra represents Om. What is revealed? Parinava, Parinamantara, Pranava, Parinava. Becoming new, newly born. Pranava, what is born? To end. Again, second birth, Pranava. Parinava, what is born? What is born? These universes are born out of singularity. Every universe, every day born. Every day, every universe is dying. Universes are infinite. Like we are seeing today, so many stars collapsed. And you will see in NASA website today, so and so star collapsed. And on a bigger scale, today, so and so universe collapsed. Means so and so universe is born, so and so universe is born. And it's all. Born. Pranava. Every day a universe is born. Born in Big Bang. What is the first letter in English? In Sanskrit, what is born? Born. Then, end. Anything born has to die in the womb. And in between, lifespan, where is the 250 trillionth of a second of a wire or anything, of pentaquark dark energy, or a 250 million years, or 250 trillion years. Still, Pranava. What is born is to die. That's Pranava, Parinava, which goes changing, which has a cycle of birth and death, which has a Parinama, which is again born, again and again, in the field of entropy, again and again is born. Energy form changes. And what is born is a Pranava. A entropy is born. Every day, fields of entropy are born. Every day, fields of entropy is born. Pranava. So, and the way to realize is that, what is born? So, what Patanjali is? Tasya vachaka pranava. What is revealed? What sound it is making? As the breath comes in, as breath goes out, so hum. What is the pranava? So hum. As the breath comes in, as breath goes out, so pranava. What is revealed? A inhalation, what sound it is revealing? So. And exhalation, what sound it is revealing? Tasya vachaka pranavaha. What sound it is relieving? Hum. That is the pranava. That's what he is telling. Pranavau bija shakti deva devyau pranavau bija shakti. This is a starter. The one who has given, and who is a female, and who is a male, and how to end out. Deva devyau parabrahma pranavo bija shakti. The root mantra it is. Seed mantra of the entropy is a Om. Om is of what is born, that is the seed of entire existence. What is Om? You remove S, you remove H, Om. It is a revelation. And when breath is coming in, you are not making any sound. Breath sounds like so. Exhalation sounds like Am. That's what is born in the universe. And you are born with this. Without this, you are no more. This is a key. Kilakam, Bija, Shakti. This is a key. This is a law. Understand your key. Your key is, as inhalation comes, so what is revealed? What goes out? It is saying a sound hum. So, hum. So. As breath goes out, hum, hum. Om, O, Om. What is revealed is what is revealed here, that is the same thing revealed in the Big Bang. I is born. That's what is talked about. The Shakti, the field of Shakti, when he is explaining, that is a literal mantra. So that is a Deva Devyo Pranavo Bija Shakti. Means that is only the way to realize singularity. Entropy is, to realize entropy, to realize the singularity, entropy. Trambaka, third eye. Sati is only the way to reach Pati. Who is Pati? Deva Devyau Pranavau Bija Shakti. From where it is born, it is called Purusha. It is called purity. Purusha. Purusha. Purusha is a male and Stri. Stri means female. What's born? And that's why you will find two kinds of the lingas you will find. When you walk into a temple, linga, female, male.